Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gosia Arhun Cooking. I want to say thank you so much for your support and for nice comments. And today I have to show you a great recipe for green beans with carrot, satay with the breadcrumbs. It's a very nice recipe and great side dish. I hope you enjoy. With just I use 1 pound of green beans, a little bit salt for taste, breadcrumbs and virgin oil, and 3 carrots. I cut carrots to small pieces to be the same size as green beans. And the green beans usually have ends, but today I got the green beans without ends. They've been cut. So it's pretty easy today. I don't have to spend time to remove the ends of the green beans. I have to boil this. When the water will be boiled, I will cook till the green beans and carrots is soft. Water is boiling. Salt. I'm cooking green beans and carrot high heat till the vegetable gets soft. Boil green beans and carrot for about 8 minutes, and looks like everything is nice and crispy. I'm looking for crispy taste. It's time to drain. The skillet is hot. I pour some oil. Now breadcrumbs, about half a cup, because I have lots of green beans. Let's go. A little bit breadcrumbs. It's nice flavor. It's almost done. I will saute green beans and the carrot. It looks delicious already. Very simple recipe, and this is excellent side dish. It's nice. Let's go try the taste. Wow. Green beans, satay, green beans and carrot is done. If you like this video, give me a thumb up and make sure you subscribe to my channel to be the first to see the recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Smacznego.